Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today, we're talking about technologies that currently shaping the future of computing. Guess what? It's quantum computing. Yes, I know, it sounds like something from a Marvel movie. But this technology is real, developing fast and literally changing the game. So let's break it down without making our brains explode. So, first thing first, what actually is quantum computing? A normal computer uses bits which is either 0 or 1. But quantum computers use qubits which can be 0, 1, or both 0, 1 at the same time. Like me trying to decide whether I'm hungry or not, I simply exist in multiple states. This ability is called superposition, and it lets quantum computer handle a ridiculous amount of information simultaneously. Here's the explanation. Normal computers solve problems step by step, like walking through every aisle in a grocery store one at a time. A quantum computer solves problems like someone on cafe running through all aisles at once, comparing everything simultaneously. It also uses something called entanglement, which basically means two qubits can be linked even if they're super far apart. Einstein literally called it spooky action at a distance. Not me saying that. Albert Einstein did. Yeah! Quantum computing isn't just theory. It's happening right now. In 2019, Google's Quantum AI team announced that their processors, Sycamore, reached quantum supremacy, performing tasks in 200 seconds that would take a supercomputer thousands of years. IBM is currently developing quantum system with over 1,000 qubits. Companies like Microsoft, Intel, and MIT researchers are also working on now quantum architectures. So yes, this is real. It exists and it's getting more powerful very fast. Now, the big question. Why does quantum computing matter? Because it can solve problems that are literally impossible for normal computers, like developing new medicines faster through molecular simulation, accurate weather and climate prediction, ultra-strong cybersecurity and encryption, faster AI training, solving complex scientific and mathematical problems. This technology is expected to transform industries like healthcare, banking, climate science, engineering, and artificial intelligence. Basically, it's the next big leap in computing. If quantum computers become stable and widely available, it could revolutionize society. Imagine hospitals finding cures faster, universities solving scientific problems in minutes, banks becoming nearly unhackable, AI becoming more accurate and useful, climate researchers predicting disasters earlier. Quantum computing isn't just a new tech, it's a technological marvel that can reshape the future of humanity. That's the quantum computing. Powerful, complex, and honestly, a little terrifying in the coolest way possible. Thanks for watching, guys. If your brain survived, you deserve a medal. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. And if you didn't, just hit the subscribe button, bro. See you in the next vlog.